Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I wanted to go over question number 13 from the June 2024 Regents exam. We didn't do very well on this question. Only 16% of the students got it right. I know we went over in a quartile range, but we didn't hit it very hard. And this is my bad. I didn't know about the change in the reference sheets. Because had I known that, you guys could have used the reference sheet to answer this question. So let me just jump into it. My apologies. Kind of going forward, we won't make that mistake in the future, but it says the box plot summarizes the data for the amount of snowfall in inches during the winter of 2021 for 12 locations in Western New York. Okay, so the question is, what is the interquartile range for this box plot? Now, I'm going to do a quick review and show you all of the information that you need, or all the information for a box plot, and then I'm going to hone in on the information that you need to answer this question. So the first thing is, this is the minimum. This is quartile 1. This is the median, or some people will call it quartile 2. And this right here is quartile 3, and this is the max. Now, so the minimum is 50, the maximum is 120, quartile 1 is 60, the median is 80, and quartile 3 is 110. Okay. Now, in order to find the interquartile range, sometimes it's called IQR, you basically have to measure, or you subtract Q1 from Q3. So it's going to be Q3 minus Q1. So Q3 is 110, Q1 is 60, so the interquartile range is 50. Now, another way that I like to think about it, because a lot of y'all will forget this, you'll forget Q3 minus Q1. But if you just remember, the interquartile range is just the length of the box. It's just the length of the box plot. So let's say this right here is 10, and let's say this is 55. The length of this box, this is the length, would be 55 minus 10, which is 45. So this is the length of the box, but it's also the IQR, or the interquartile range. So if you remember the length of the, actually, guys, that's the whole point. You don't have to memorize this. This is where I messed up. They actually give you this formula. They tell you that the interquartile range is Q3 minus Q1, period, done. Now, you got to know what Q1 and Q3 are, but once you know that, you just subtract, and that's your answer. So the answer for this one is 50. Again, my apologies for not having the exposing you guys to this reference sheet. I was still using the old one, but yeah. So every Regents going forward, they're going to be giving you the IQR. So you just have to know how to use it. So that's it. I'm going to stop, and I'm going to post this.